Okay, this is Orlando Wilson, and what I want to talk about in this video, just touch on, because it's an in-depth topic, is protective surveillance. I just spoke with somebody about various aspects of close protection. When I started talking about protective surveillance, it was clear this guy had no clue what I was talking about. Which is a little bit, I'd say from my perspective, it's not concerning, because I understand a lot of people don't use it, etc. All this guy knew was high-profile protection techniques, etc. Protective surveillance is where you employ undercover protection to protect a person and asset, etc. Asset can be building, asset, anything. Why we use protective surveillance is because it blends in better. People don't know that we're actually protecting the person, protecting the asset. A father could want his children protected because he doesn't want to alert the children that there is an actual problem. With protective surveillance, what we're doing, not only are we protecting the asset, but we're also looking for threat surveillance, etc. We pick up there's a problem before it happens, we can avoid the problem or counter the problem. Protective surveillance also applies you with a surprise punch if something happens. If somebody's going to be attacking, stealing the asset, then hopefully they won't have spotted our protective surveillance and they won't realize they've been watched, and they won't realize from which direction they're being countered from, if that makes sense. So protective surveillance can also be used in conjunction with high-profile protection. And really, protective surveillance gives you an extra cordon of security. It's your undercover eyes and ears. To me, it's basic. And if you're providing protection services, you should always include protective surveillance in your in your plans, and also what you're offering to the client. A lot of clients, especially people I deal with, do not want high-profile protection. Why? It draws attention, especially when they're on the street. They want to get along with their business, but they want to be secure. From a client's perspective, if you're a client and you're hiring security, you're hiring bodyguards, close protection personnel, and you've not been offered the option of protective surveillance, then I would seriously question the experience and capabilities of the people you've hired. Because again, including protective surveillance in all proposals to clients should be a basic for anybody that understands the close protection business. So if you're serious about the close protection business, especially if you're a service provider and you know nothing about protective surveillance, then I suggest you find out. I got 3 books online specifically to do with close protection, which of course covers protective surveillance and also other aspects of the security business. We're also throwing up a lot more videos to cover various aspects of the close protection business, security business, personal security, etc., etc. So if you've got any questions, check the books, check the videos, and if you're connected with me on social media, feel free to drop me a line directly if you have relevant questions. But as I said, we've got a lot of stuff on social media at the moment, so follow us, and I'm sure a lot of the videos and content we've already got up will answer a lot of your questions. Be good, stay out of trouble.